At every mining site, the journey of coal begins long before it reaches its destination. Today, we follow the step-by-step process of loading coal from jetty to barge, a dance of precision and power. Step 1. Coal transport to stockpile. Trucks carry tons of coal from the mine to a temporary storage area where it awaits the next stage of its journey. Step 2. Stockpile Management. Heavy machinery organizes the coal into piles, ensuring easy access for the next step, feeding the conveyor belt. Step 3. Conveyor Feeding. The conveyor belt acts as a lifeline, transporting coal from the stockpile to the jetty with relentless efficiency. Step 4. Barge Positioning. Tugboats carefully guide the barge into place, ensuring it's securely moored before loading begins. Step 5. Loading process. Coal flows from the conveyor belt into the barge's holds, filling them to capacity with precision and speed. Step 6. Monitoring and completion. Engineers monitor every detail of the loading process, ensuring safety and efficiency. Once the barge is full, the operation is complete. From mine to jetty to barge, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and teamwork. The journey of coal continues, powering the world forward.
Subscribe for more video.